So, Ozzy Assassin, these sockets are complete ass. Oh yeah, look at that. Live voltage right there. It's your live and neutral. The big, fuck, the light can't even stay on. Yeah, let's try this. No, maybe, not gonna happen. All right. That's in there. Good enough, I think. All right, let's try the Apple charger. With the slightly bent prong. So the trick here, start that one and then quick release, just like that. And let's see how it stays. Yeah. Hey, UK, get your standards over in the States, please. For God's sake.